Bingo cash rooms are not all the same because each game format can have different entry requirements, competition levels, and reward structures. By the end, you will know how to choose the right bingo cash rooms, what factors to compare before joining a game, and how to avoid picking rooms that do not match your playing style. The best room for you depends on your experience, your comfort level, and the type of competition you want to enter. A room with a higher entry requirement may attract different players compared with a lower entry option. Start by checking the room details before joining. Look at the entry amount, prize information, number of players, and game rules shown inside the Bingo Cash app. If you are new to Bingo Cash, focus on understanding the game format before choosing competitive rooms. Lower risk options can help you learn how scoring works and how other players approach each match. If you already understand the gameplay, compare rooms based on competition. A room with more experienced players may require stronger strategy and faster decision-making. Another factor is your playing style. Some players prefer faster matches, while others prefer taking more time to manage their moves. Choose rooms that match how you normally play, instead of only looking at potential rewards. Before entering any room, review the rules carefully. Check how points are earned, how winners are determined, and what conditions apply to the match. If you experience problems with a specific room, record the details. Save the room type, what happened during the game, and any error messages shown by the app. Avoid choosing a room only because it appears to offer better rewards. A room that does not match your skill level or preferred playstyle may create a worse experience. The best approach is testing different room types and tracking your results. This helps you understand which formats work better for your own gameplay. The main points are simple. Compare room details before entering, choose games that match your experience level, and understand the rules before spending an entry amount. Your next step is to open Bingo Cash and review the available rooms before joining your next match. Compare the entry details and choose the option that fits your current strategy. If this guide helped you choose Bingo Cash rooms more effectively, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and troubleshooting tips.